Keurig K155 Office Pro Commercial Coffee Maker, Single-serve K-Cup Pot Coffee Brewer, Silver Extra Large 90 ounces. Water Reservoir. Styled to impress, this Keurig coffee maker offers the features that everyone will value. Touch screen interface, an advanced full-color touch screen interface with adjustable brew temperature and programmable auto on-off settings. Pour-over water reservoir, with a 90-ounce, easy-to-fill, removable water reservoir, you can make up to 18 cups before refilling. Full-color LCD touchscreen. 4 brew sizes, choose from 4 different brew sizes: 4-ounce, 6-ounce, 8-ounce or 10-ounce, from strong to mild or brewed beverages. Because tastes differ. Drain and store. Only Keurig commercial coffee makers offer the option to easily drain and remove water from the internal hot water tank for transport and storage. Brew time, less than a minute. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.